Okay. Hello guys, welcome back. This is John again. So just guess what I'm holding here in my hand. It's a handheld laser welding machine. As it's a new type, it got 3 features. Easy to operate. No matter you are experienced or not experienced, with 2 hours training, you'll be ready to go to do the great and fantastic welding job. Second features, it's fast to weld. With this high concentration laser energy, it's just like 3 to 4 times speed than the traditional welding way, like the TIG welding. And when you do the welding, you just feel like you slowly, with your hand, high speed and great. And the third one is beautiful to see. With this laser welding machine, it just avoid the different welding defects of the traditional welding machines, like the penetration, overlap, and pinhole. And okay, let's see some more details. Here, the laser welding head. Here it's really flexible. That means you can do the welding from different angles and very flexible to do the welding. And also, you can put it to do the welding job in different positions of the working piece. Let's continue with it. One typical feature I have to let you know that is the red dot light here. With the red dot light, it will help you with the more accurate positioning. It will exist during the whole welding process. Okay? Later, we'll invite our engineers to be here, do the operation, and we'll see how it works here. For this machine, many people is saying that it's just like the high-tech weapon of the, Tom Cruise in the film Mission Impossible. Fantastic, right? Okay, we'll go to the next step. Okay guys, welcome back. Now let's welcome our engineer, Mr. Wang Zhi, to give us some show of the handheld laser welding machine. He's going to show us the two functions, laser welding and laser cutting. So let's see the cutting first, the simple cutting of 1 mm stainless steel. Okay, let's go. Great. We know the laser welding machine is not like the special fiber laser cutting machines we have of the cutting, but with this function, it really helps a lot. We'll do some simple jobs of the cuttings. And as we know, cutting we use nitrogen, and for the welding, we always use the argon gas, which has a better performance and more beautiful the welding seam. And here we are using the nitrogen because it's more cost effective, and in some customers, and they will use the nitrogen instead of argon if they do not have some so much high requirement of the welding performance here. Okay, later our engineer will show us the welding parts. It will be a carbon steel, 6 mm carbon steel welding. And later our engineer is doing some changes, and he is trying to equip the weld fitting parts, and also he's going to change the nozzles especially for the welding parts, and he's going to make some changes. And later he's also going to make some changes of the parameters in the machine. With this, we'll be ready to go to do the welding part of the carbon steel metals. Okay, so we can see and what he is going to do and what he's doing here for the changes. Okay guys, you see our engineer already changed all the welding, the auto fitting, and change the nozzle and make all the parameters set. So let's see how the welding works. It's a 6 mm carbon steel. If it's for a thin metal, like below 3, we can make it 1 set welding. And for the 6 millimeters of the carbon steel, like high thickness, it's better to make it 2 sets welding. Let's see how the welding seam here. Great, right? Okay, check how strong it is. Okay. Okay, I think it's great enough. I think it's great enough. Okay, so much for the laser welding machine here. And any questions or anything we can do for you, just let me know. See you. Bye-bye.